Packet tracer use ICMP to test and correct network connectivity. In this side we have the addressing table. Objectives. In this lab you will use ICMP to test network connectivity and locate network problems. You will also correct simple configuration issues and restore connectivity to the network. Use ICMP to locate connectivity issues, configure network devices to correct connectivity issues, and background customers have been complaining that they can't reach some network resource. You have been asked to test connectivity in the network. You use ICMP to find out which resources are unreachable and the location from which they can't be reached. Then you use trace to locate the point at which network connectivity is broken. Finally, you fix the errors that you find to restore connectivity to the network. Instruction: a host should have connectivity to all others hosts and the corporate server. Wait until all links light are green. Select a host and use ICMP ping to determine which hosts are reachable from that host. If a host is found unreachable, use ICMP to trace to locate the general location of the network errors and locate the specific errors and correct them. So, in the first step is make the command ping. I'm making the first PC1 with the first command for know what is the key direction IP address with the command ipconfig slash all. Okay, we take a moment to view this scheme. We have four networks, two IPv4 networks and two IPv6 networks. And we have four switch, three routers, and two servers. Okay, and our host should have connectivity to all other hosts and the corporate server, but in this case, only have these networks with IPv4. They should be connect between this and this IP version 6. Have to connect between these two networks. So in first instance, I open PC1 and laptop sorry, and execute the same command to know the information and go to check in the addressing table. Okay, for PC1, here PC1 address is 10.10.1.10. Yes. Subnet mask. Okay. And default gateway 10.10.1.1. Okay. And go to check and laptop A. So IPv4 and laptop A 10.10.120. Okay, subnet mask is the same and the file gateway is the same 10.10.1.1. So I execute the ping command between these two devices with the command ping to this address. Paste. Okay. Packet sent 4, receive 4, loss 0. I have connectivity between these two devices. So I close and I open this network and the device PC4. Execute the same command ipconfig /all and I check the same information in the table and in the command line interface. PC4 with the subnet with the addressing IP address 10.10.5.10. Okay, subnet mask. Okay, and default gateway 10.10.5.1. Okay, here I have a problem with this default gateway, so go to change this error. Close this window, open again command prompt, and execute the same command ipconfig/r to see if the change is made. Okay, yes, this is the really default gateway in PC4. Okay, go to prove the connectivity between these two devices. The command ping to the address 10.10.5.1, sorry, 10. Okay, again. Okay, I have 4 packets sent, 4 received, and 0% packets lost. So I have connectivity between these two devices and go to check in server 1. Sorry. Open command prompt and execute the same command ipconfig/all and go to check the information in the addressing table. Okay, and I go to check in this item, and in this case is configuring like DHCP dynamic host configuration protocol, but in the table is configuring like a static. So I go to change this and I enter the really information for server 1 is 10, 10, 5, 20. Subnet mask is 255, 255, 255, 0, and default gateway 10, 10, 5, 1. So close, open, and again the command. Okay, I prove the connectivity between PC1 and server 1. Again, excellent. I have connectivity between these two devices. I only prove between laptop A and PC4 and server 1. Execute the same command ping to PC4 and server 1. Okay, I have connectivity between laptop E and PC4. I prove connectivity between laptop A and server 1. Okay, I have connectivity between these two devices. And I forget prove the connectivity between PC1 and the corporate server, so I prove this connectivity with the same command ping, but with the address IPv4 203.113. Sorry. Again, okay, I have connectivity between PC1 and corporate server. I try with the next devices, laptop A. I have connectivity from PC4. Okay, I have connectivity between PC4 and corporate server, and the last server 1. Sorry. I have connectivity between server 1 and corporate server. So the next key point is check the connectivity between the network over IP version 6. In this case, is this network 201 BDA1 and 201 BDA5. So open in the first step PC2 command prompt and execute the command IP version 6, in this case config/all to see all the information over IP version 6, and check in the table. Go to find PC2 is here and check 201 DBA 110. Okay, and default gateway. Okay, seems is correct this information. And open PC3 and execute the same command IP version 6 config/all and check in the table. Okay, 201 BDA 120 and subnet mask. Okay, seems is the same information in the device and in the table. So I try the connectivity between PC2 and PC3, execute the same command, ping, but with this IP version 6 address. Copy. Okay, I have connectivity between PC2 and PC3. Go to check in the next network in laptop B. Command prompt, execute the same IP version 6 config slash all and check in the table. Laptop B, okay, 201 dBA, 510, okay, and default gateway FE81, okay, and laptop C, okay, 201 dBA, 520, okay, is the same information in table and laptop C. I go to check the connectivity between laptop B and laptop C with ping command, copy and paste. Okay, I have connectivity in this network, but I need to check the connectivity between network 201 dBA1 and 201 dBA5. So I open, in this case, PC2 and laptop B, and I go to execute the same command ping to this address. Okay, I don't have connectivity between these two networks, so I go to check the track with tracert command. Okay, in this case, the only hub I have or reach with this command is this device, 201 dBA 11. I go to find in the table. Okay, it's here in rower 2. Control C to stop this process and close the window. I go to check if the addressing table in every rower is correct. So in the first is rower 2, open, execute the command enable, and execute the command show IP version 6 interface brief. Okay, Gigabyte Ethernet 000 is up but don't have IP version 6 address. Gigabyte Ethernet 001 is up and this is his address. Okay, okay. The next port Our interface in router 2SS serial 010 is here with this address. Okay, the information in the table and end device is correct. So go to the next hub in router 1, execute the same commands, enable and show IP version 6 interface brief, and go to check in the table all the addresses are correct. Okay, G000 is here, is up. Okay, with this IP version 6 address 201 DBA41 is correct. And the interface is 010. This is the address 201 DBA22 is correct and is up the interface. And serial 011, this is the address, so 201 DBA31. Okay, is correct and is up this interface. And go to check the last router tree, execute the same command, enable and show IP version 6 interface brief, and go to check in the table. In the port or interface G000 is up but don't have IP version 6 address. In the interface G001 is up and I have this address 201 DBA51. Okay, this is a bad number. And the last interface is serial 010 with this address 201 DBA32. Okay, is correct. Only this is the bad address. So go to change, enter in configure terminal mode, execute the command interface, in this case G001, and execute the command IP version 6 address and enter the address I want to put in this interface. I copy from the table, okay, 201 colon DBA, okay, double colon or colon 5 double colon, sorry, my bad, okay, and 1/64, enter, exit, exit again, enter. We have to put the command copy, run in config, and start to config to save this change. And go to check if the process is changed with the same command, show IP version 6 interface brief in G001. Okay, here is. Okay, go to check the connectivity between PC2 and laptop B. Okay. Okay, I have connectivity between these two devices. And I need to check the connectivity between these devices with IP version 6 address and the corporate server. Okay, copy from PC2 to the server, execute the command. I have connectivity between PC2 and corporate server from PC3. Okay, I have connectivity between PC3 and the corporate server from laptop B. I execute the same command. I have connectivity between laptop B and corporate server and finish with laptop C. Command prompt. Okay, and I have connectivity between laptop C and corporate server. In this case, I don't have connectivity between network with IPv4 and IPv6 because every device only have one or have IP version 4 or have IP version 6. You can put both IP version 4 and IP version 6 to verify the connectivity between these two networks, but in this case, the exercise don't have this capability. And completion 100%. So this is all for this. See you in the next one. Bye.